Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get and use eye tracking feature in your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to get or use eye tracking feature, so let's see how can you do that. So the very first you have to make sure that you have a latest model of your iPhone. You have iPhone 12 or the latest model of your iPhone because you cannot use eye tracking in lower than iPhone 12. So if you're using a newer model, so you can easily use eye tracking. So very first you have to open the settings here, go for general here, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. And once you update the software, you just have to go back from here and then go for eye tracking option. Here you will find eye tracking. So just open accessibility option here and you will find eye tracking option here. Simply tap on that and you can easily enable it from here. Simply enable that toggle to enable eye tracking in your iPhone. Once you have enabled, you just have to follow some simple methods and simple tips. And once you have done, your eye tracking will be enabled. You can easily customize the smoothness for your eye tracking from here, and here are some more settings. You can also enable double control for your iPhone. So in this way you can easily get and use eye tracking on your iPhone or your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.